Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 400. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with 9,485 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with mirrors, a tinted windscreen, frame sliders, a Kimimoto plate bracket, a rear fender eliminator kit, a Leo Vince muffler, and custom paint. Powered by a 399cc parallel twin engine, the Ninja puts 45 horsepower and 27 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Ninja has a 170 to 200 mile range. It has a 30.9-inch seat height and a 370-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Ninja will need a new front tire. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 1/32, and the rear at 5/32. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the front fender is missing. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the frame slider, a paint chip on the levers and bar end, paint chips on the tail fairing, and a scratch on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.